Imagine stepping into your workplace each day, feeling invigorated and driven, knowing that your ambitions harmonize perfectly with your company's mission. This isn't just a dream. It can be your reality if you align your personal goals with the objectives of your organization. When this alignment occurs, it can unlock a level of motivation and success that many only aspire to achieve. The question is, how do you create this synergy? First, let's explore the profound impact of goal alignment. Research has shown that when employees' personal aspirations are in sync with their organization's objectives, performance can increase significantly, by as much as 22%. This statistic isn't just a number. It represents a transformation in workplace dynamics. When your values and aspirations resonate with your company's mission, you don't merely fulfill tasks, you engage deeply with your work. This engagement fosters a sense of purpose, enhancing your job satisfaction and productivity. You begin to see how your individual contributions are vital to the organization's success, creating a powerful feedback loop that propels both personal and organizational growth. But how do you achieve this alignment? It starts with self-reflection. Take the time to delve into your core values, passions, and career aspirations. What truly drives you? What do you hope to accomplish in your professional journey? Understanding these elements is crucial, as they form the foundation upon which you can build your alignment with organizational goals. Once you've identified your personal objectives, the next step is open communication. Engage in honest discussions with your managers or team leaders about your aspirations. This dialogue is essential. It allows you to express your ambitions and seek collaborative planning. When management is aware of your goals, they can provide support and create opportunities that align with both your development and the company's mission. This transparency fosters a culture of mutual respect and collaboration, which is vital for achieving shared success. The final step in this process is collaborative goal setting. Work together with your team to establish goals that serve both your personal growth and the organization's objectives. This could involve taking on projects that excite you while simultaneously advancing the company's mission. By finding this intersection, you create a win-win scenario where your success contributes to the organization's achievements and vice versa. However, it's important to remember that this alignment is not a one-time effort. Regularly revisiting and adjusting your goals is essential to ensure they continue to resonate with both your aspirations and the evolving objectives of your organization. As businesses grow and change, so too should your personal goals. This adaptability will keep you engaged and motivated, ensuring that you remain a valuable asset to your team. Now, let's put this theory into practice. I challenge you to take action today. Start by identifying one personal career goal that you are passionate about. Next, take a moment to research your organization's current objectives and mission. Understanding where your company is headed will help you find the connection between your personal aspirations and the collective goals of your team. Once you have this information, think about how achieving your personal goal can also benefit the organization. This might involve proposing a new initiative that aligns with your interests while supporting the company's strategic direction. By doing this, you not only advance your career, but also contribute to the broader success of your organization. Sharing your aligned goal can inspire others, so don't hesitate to voice your ambitions. Whether it's in a team meeting, a comment section, or a casual conversation, discussing your goals can foster an environment of support and encouragement among your colleagues. Let's create a community where we uplift each other and pursue fulfilling, purpose-driven careers. Aligning your personal goals with your organization's mission is not merely a beneficial exercise, it is transformative. It leads to a more engaging, satisfying, and successful professional life. When you find that sweet spot where your ambitions and the company's objectives converge, You unlock a new level of motivation that can propel you to heights you never imagined possible. As you embark on this journey towards alignment, remember that you are not alone. Many professionals are seeking the same harmony between their personal aspirations and their organizational roles. By actively working towards this alignment, you contribute not only to your own success, but also to the collective success of your team and organization. If you found this exploration of goal alignment insightful, consider sharing it with colleagues who might benefit from a motivational boost. Encourage them to reflect on their personal goals and how they can align with the company's mission. Together, you can foster a culture of growth and collaboration that leads to unprecedented success. Your journey to aligned success starts now. Embrace the challenge, engage in open dialogue, and work collaboratively towards shared goals. The potential for transformation is immense, and the rewards are waiting for you. So take that first step today and watch as your professional life flourishes in ways you never thought possible.